The next negation that we are going to look at is I can't do something. For example, I am unable to speak Swedish and I am unable to swim the length of a swimming pool. But before we look at that, we need to look at how to say that I can do something. For example, I can speak English. And for this we use taea. Now, this has its own unique structure. Taea, which means able to do something, is an irregular verb, and that's fine. I have friends who are irregular. I'm not judging. Taea is irregular because it kind of, sort of works like a passive, kind of, sort of. Taea is irregular because it uses and sort of has a passive meaning. So, if I want to say that I can drive a car, I would say in Te Reo Māori that the driving is able to be done by me. Ka taea o te raiwa, literally is able by me the driving. I can cook, true story. Ka taea o te tunu is able by me the cooking, or I can cook. Or ka taea koe te tunu, the cooking is able to be done by you, you can cook. And if we want to be specific, we could say ka taea rangi te tunu I te keki. Rangi is able to bake the cake, good on him. And ka taea mere te raiwa I te taraka nui. Mere is able to drive the big truck, good on her. Ka taea tāua te tākoro I te kema. You and I are able to play the game. So how do we negate ka taea? For the present or for the future, I can't or I won't be able to. We use kāore taea te and maybe I. For example, kāore taea o te mahi I tēnei. I can't do this. Kāore taea hone te kai I te aporo. Hone can't eat the apple. Don't know why not. And so, ka taea o te pānui I te puka puka. I can read the book. Kāore taea o te pānui I te puka puka. I can't read the book because it's in like Swedish. Ka taea hone te raiwa I te motoka. Hone can drive the car. And kāore taea hone te raiwa I te motoka. Hone can't drive the car because he's like 98 and he can't see and he has dementia. Oh.